In this video we're going to solve the equation ln of 2 minus 2 ln of x minus 1 is equal to ln of x for x belonging to the set of real numbers. So write down the equation that we're going to solve. Ln of 2 minus 2 ln of x minus 1 is equal to ln of x. Now this is quite involved, but we need to try to use some of the rules of logarithms. The first thing we're going to do is to add 2 ln of x minus 1 to both sides, therefore taking that to the other side. So we get ln of 2 is equal to ln of x plus 2 ln of x minus 1. Now we're going to apply one of the rules of logarithms to this. So that we know that r log a of x is equal to log a of x to the r. So then we're going to take that little 2 and put it up here. So it's plus ln of x minus 1 squared. And now we've got the addition of two logarithms, so we're going to apply this rule. Log a of x plus log a of y is equal to log a of x times y. So we're going to have that ln of 2 is going to be equal to ln of x times x minus 1 squared. So now because we've got ln and this as a single logarithm, we can now say that 2 is equal to x times x minus 1 squared. So therefore, x minus 1 squared will be equal to 2. And we now need to solve this. This is a cubic, so expanding x minus 1 squared. So we've got x squared minus 2x plus 1 when we expand x minus 1 squared is equal to 2. We need to put this equal to 0 eventually. So first we'll expand the bracket here. So we're going to get x cubed minus 2x squared plus x is equal to 2. Taking 2, we're going to get x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you need to solve this cubic equation. So what you need to do is try values of x so that this is equal to 0 to start it off, using the factor theorem. So now we're going to solve this by factorization. So if we're going to try x is equal to 2, normally you try x is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, but none of those work, but x is equal to 2 does work, so we're going to have 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 squared plus 2 minus 2, that's going to be equal to 8, 2 times 2 squared, so it's going to be minus 2 times 4, which is minus 8, plus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 8 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, so we'll end up with 0. So x is equal to 2 is a solution of this. And therefore, if it is a solution, x plus 2 is a factor of this expression. Right, so now what we want to do to see if there are any other solutions, we've really got to factorize this. So carrying on using what's known as polynomial division, we need to do x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So we take x cubed and divide it by x. That gives me x squared. Multiplying out x squared times x gives me x cubed. X squared times minus 2 gives me minus 2x squared. And then what we do is we subtract these. But when we do subtract these, in this case we get nothing. So therefore we need to bring down the x and also bring down the 2. We're now going to divide x by x. That gives me plus 1. And 1 times x gives me x, and 1 times minus 2 gives me minus 2. And when we do the subtraction, we got nothing, which is what we expect because we knew that x minus 2 was a factor of this. So therefore, we can now write that x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, is equal to x minus 2 times x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So either this is 0, which we know gives me x is equal to 2, or this could be equal to 0, but x squared plus 1 cannot be equal to 0 for real numbers, because if you put x squared is equal to minus 1 and try to take the square root of minus 1 for real numbers, it doesn't work. Therefore, there's just one solution, x is equal to 2. We can check in the original equation, which was ln of 2 minus 2 ln of x minus 1 is equal to ln of x. Left hand side gives you ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 2 minus 1 which gives you ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 1. Now ln of 1 is equal to 0, so this is 0, so we've got ln of 2 on this side, and then on the right hand side we just put ln of 2, and therefore we've got agreement here, so we knew that the left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore the only solution is x is equal to 2. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve a complicated logarithmic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.